matrix addition and subtraction. So for addition, take any matrix, say A is 1 1 0 2 and B is 1 1. So this, first of all, check the order of this matrix. It has two rows. This is one row, second row. This is one row, first column, second column. This is 2 by 2 order matrix. This matrix has single row and it is 2 are column, 1 and 2. Row is written as first and column are written as second. So this is 1 by 2 matrix. For addition of two matrices, you need both the matrix must have same dimension. 2 by 2 can be added to a 2 by 2 matrix. 1 by 2 matrix can be added to another 1 by 2 matrix. So addition is not possible in this case. So if we take A as this, we need B as this 1 1 0 0, say this matrix. This is 2 by 2 matrix. So this is not possible. So we can add this A and B. A plus B is equal to 1 1 0 2 plus 1 1 0 0, which is equal to first element to be added in first, 1 plus 1, and it will be at first place. Second element to second, 1 plus 1. Third element to third, 0 plus 0. Fourth element to fourth, 2 plus 0, which is equal to 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 2, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 0 2. So this is the answer matrix, which is A plus B, addition of this A matrix and addition of this B matrix. Similarly, if you want to subtract these two matrices, you need matrices of the same order. Number of rows and number of column of first matrix should be same as number of rows and number of column of second matrix. So let's take another example. Say x is equal to 1 2 2 1 and y is equal to 2 0 1 0. So this is 2 by 2 matrix because it has 1 row, 2 row, 1 column, 2 column. 2 by 2. This is also 1 row, 2 row, 1 column, 2 column, 2 by 2. So they can be added or subtracted. So x minus y is equal to first matrix 1 2 2 1 minus second 2 0 1 0, which is equal to 1 first element 1 minus 2, second element 2 minus 0, third element 2 minus 1, fourth element 1 minus 0, which comes out to be minus 1 2 1 and 1. So this is subtraction of x minus y. So it means you can add or subtract matrix of same order from one another. Thank you.